Baranor. You can't have run out of orcs in the city.
There are a few left, but we're hunting one in particular. The last bodyguard of the war chief leading the siege.
I think we're after the same orc, and the way to a war chief is through his bodyguards.
You sound like you've had some experience in this.
I've had enough.
I'll follow your lead.
Fat-necked menfolk need slicing.
This is from Minas Ithil.
The assault on the middle city was glorious.
Join your fallen brothers.
I lost track of how many I killed that day. That's when you know you had a good day.
With regards from Gondor.
Someone killed the assassin. You mean that lord with a funny knife who was killing his way up the chain? Good riddance. Fucked him anyway. He was a laugh when he was in his post. I heard those little spiders are getting more daring. Swarming Uruk like they was under someone's control. Gonna blaze you! This spiders' webs can barely cut through them. So what's a cat?
For Gondor.
My blade struck.
Snafu. Snafu.
What was that? Whatever I was thinking about. I see the rain. Fight me, Tark! Deliver themselves straight to me! Let's have some fun!
No matter how much time you spend with these people, you are no longer one of them. That life is lost. Stay put! That's when you know you've had a Die, Manfield! Those little spiders are getting more daring. Swarming Uruk like they was under someone's control. Did you hear? There's been a murder. I need one of these. Saltskins deliver themselves straight to me! Let's have some fun! Flee! You'll only die time! That must have hurt!
almost feel sorry for the warchief we're hunting. He'll be lonely without his bodyguards.
He'll join them soon enough.
The warchief Baranor seeks is just one of many, and they will continue their attacks on Minas Ithil.
Then our path is clear. We have to kill them all. And we'll need help from the Gondorians to do it. Shelob's visions will reveal our path.
We...
I've seen it! Get after him!
You maggot! Your struggles mean nothing! Soon the Great Serpent will arrive and swallow the world! But first, the realm must be cleansed of man filth. Only then will it be fit for her jaws. Die! Die! And make way for the Great Devouring!
I'll do it! Raise that beacon!
You put too much faith in the spider. She only shows you what she wants.
Then tell me what you wish to see.
Minas Ithil's still standing.
All was so selfless. Nothing more. We saw some troubling things last time, didn't we?
I want to know my fate with the Nazgul.
Be careful what you ask for, Ranger. With prophecy comes torment.
We take the city at dawn!
Submit to your destiny.
I know what you fear, Talion. Shelob's vision is not cast in stone.
The Witch King.
It is the power of domination. The ring can enslave the minds of men.
What can be done?
Sacrifices must be made, and many will be lost. But we must hold to our purpose, no matter what the cost.
Lives can be saved. If the warchief from my vision is the same one Baranor and his men are hunting, they will need help.
One warchief makes little difference.
Right now, this one warchief is the most immediate threat to Minas Ithil. I will not stand by while Baranor and his men risk their lives. Baranor, I'm here to help. This war chief you're after, he's not one to be taken lightly.
We've brought down warchiefs before, Ranger. But I won't turn down an extra sword.
And we shall take him down together. I'll take out his archers first. Your men move in after I've cleared the path.
An old one with plenty of blood on it.
I wish I was with the siege beast crews.
It's too dangerous. Too much can go wrong. Get crossed by a boulder. Or grab it back.
But the rocks, I want to see them fly. They must be glorious. We usually work alone. I hope the aim of these Gondorian archers is true. Otherwise, we'll be dodging friendly arrows.
They're experienced soldiers. They'll do their part.
An elven archer would be worth 3 Gondorian archers.
Really? Only 3?
Who knows? It's always the same. Hurry up and wait.
Every second we score. This is...
Been some time since I've seen this many captains together who run trying to kill each other. True, but once the city is taken and the men are dead, we'll all be back at each other's throats.
My kill!
Never underestimate men fighting to protect their home.
This is not their home. That's the last of the archers.
Now let's get to a vantage point. Time to signal Baranor's men.
Ah, the lovely smell of manfare. Nothing is sweeter. Together, we will crush their defenses and grind them to dust. Together, as captains and war chief united, we will have victory. Together, we take the city at dawn. Set them ablaze for Gondor!
time to strike.
You must be the fool who killed my bodyguards. You only delay the inevitable. The blood of man-swine will flow into my belly today, and I'll drink yours first.
Zugor.
One of you should start the club fire! So much fucking bread! Scream for me! Oh, freak! You maggot!
You can't take all of us. Not on your best day.
And it's not your best day. It's your worst.
Justice can see! Get us all! I fight on, Tark. Fight until you die.
Right, time for murder.
Hit him where it counts! Die! Prepare you alive! Don't lick! Die now! Murder is fun! I'll bring you eternal.
I'd say we're even. A good hunt. Less so for the war chief.
And his archers. We should go hunting again.
It would be my pleasure.
So, Tally, did we make a difference?
We cannot see your lens. We must return to Shilob.
The only reason to go back is for my ring.
Enough! This is about more than your ring. Or you! Her sight may be what saves us all.